Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be attempting the chapter ratios. So let's get started. So the question is given that A ABC is equals to 75 ratio 120 ratio 132. So they're saying that A is A is 75, B is 120, and C is 132. A's value is 75, B's value is 120, and C's value is 132. So they're saying that B ratio A B ratio A. So B is 120, ratio it's written 75. So ratio 75. Now we are going to divide 12 with 5. So 5, 120. 5 twos are 10, minus 2 comes down, 2 comes down, 0 also comes down, 20, and 5 fours are 20. So it would be 24. Five, and then B, and then we'll write 24 here, 24 ratio. We'll divide 7 with 5, so 5, 75 with 5 is 5, 75. 5 ones are 5, minus 2 comes down, 5 comes down, 25, 5, 5s are 25, 5, minus 0. So it would be 15. So 15 would come right here, 15, ratio 15. And then we are going to take this from 3. So 3 8s are 24. Oh, we'll write 8 here. Ratio 5. So the answer is 8 ratio 5. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.